Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Messenger nickname bug. It's very simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, hey, like the video for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have questions around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do is actually go on the App Store or the Google Play Store on an Android phone. You want to type in Messenger just like this, and you want to make sure that your messenger is updated. If you have an update option, make sure you update it right here. If this doesn't help, and it's the same thing on an Android, as I said, is go over to your settings. On an Android device, you would go to apps, then search for messenger. On an iPhone, you want to go to general, iPhone storage, and now search for messenger. And when you find it, you want to offload the app or reserve or clear cache on an Android device. Let me type it in Messenger. Here it is. You want to offload the app. So this will pretty much reset all the settings, and this should help you out. If this video did help you out, give me a like. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below.